Blessings everyone. I can't believe this really happened. You know, I've been making YouTube videos for 11 months. Alright, I'm really thankful for you, my subscribers, for helping Elite Jamaica to reach to 10,000 subscribers. However, the day that YouTube started to monetize channels, that was I think on Wednesday. That was the day I did not get my channel monetized. Instead, I got a community strike for a video that was on my channel before I even started to create videos. That was a tribal video, meaning that it's a video that was created already, a video that was filmed and removed from Facebook, and you know, it wasn't uploaded on just my channel, it was on a whole lot of other channels. And I'm really surprised as to the fact I got a community strike for a video that no one got hurt in. And I tried to appeal it, and they said that they are upholding their decision. Alright, now doing YouTube, it's not about making money. Alright, as you guys know, I use my phone. I use my cell phone, a DL810. That's a Digicel DL810. I use my cell phone to make my videos for YouTube. I use my cell phone for research with Google. Alright, I haven't got a laptop or a tablet or anything like that. So basically, I wanted my channel to be monetized so as I could buy gadgets to do better videos, better research, and get better footage. Alright, and surprisingly, I'm not sure why, because obviously the video was flagged by someone who watched the video. I'm not sure why someone would do that. And Jano, I'm really sad today. I started to do YouTube. I started to create these videos to show people the good side of Jamaica, because I really love my country. Alright, and persons only show the bad as to what is happening in Jamaica, with persons dying, car crashes and all of that, police brutality and all of that. I decided I was gonna go against the stream. I was not gonna make comedy videos or prank videos or anything like that. I decided to start an educational channel, which I did, and surprisingly I got the feedback, I got good feedback, I got the support, because there are persons out there who actually love this country and who would want to see this country get back on its feet. Alright, what persons do when they put all of these videos with crime and violence coming out of Jamaica, when they put that on the internet, that affects tourism. And guys, have you ever wondered, a couple of years from now, if tourism is wrecked, what are your kids gonna do? What are your kids gonna do? Are these people really thinking now somebody are go report the video or flag the video because Elite Jamaica grow? Guys, this I'm a book, I'm write my script them, you know. You understand? This is how I do it. I do my research, get my main points, write my script, then I voice the script, put in my clip them when I put in, I edit it. Sometimes these videos that I upload, they take sometimes 8 hours to create one 10-minute video, because the thing have to edit. And see, that book here, one book was done, you know. You see me? This one book was done. You know, this one book was done. Couple of the parish profile them in this. You know. Realize, keep going. Every day I look on this. You understand? This is not a book before me even start right in the book. You see me? So this thing is not as easy as it seems. It takes a lot of research and takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of energy. Sometimes at 3 o'clock when I sleep. You understand? But with all of what happened with the community strike and all of that, that now break me still. You understand? I'm still gonna be making videos, still gonna make sure you get good content. You know, try to use my phone to the best of my ability. You understand? Because the thing is, well, you have apps that I download on the phone which give better quality. So therefore, I just work with me. I'll sit down and wait for one camera, or wait for one computer or something like that for actually make my voice be heard. Is it? So I'm gonna be still giving you guys good videos, good content. And if you have any requests for any videos you'd like me to make, please leave it in the description below. And until then, just bless upon yourself. Alex this. Bless.